Hi there, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we have Paul here with us.
Hey guys.
He's gonna help us make our next new recipe.
What is that recipe?
It is a speculoos coffee.
What's speculoos for people that don't know what it is?
So speculoos is a type of, it's Italian cookie?
European.
European cookie,
Yeah.
And typically you get it when you're going on long flights.
They do give it on flights.
Yeah.
It's like a traditional biscuit cookie. You can typically eat it with coffee and tea. There's many different brands that make that cookie, and we've taken that cookie and applied it to a variety of different products, syrup being one of them, and cookie spreads.
So today we are going to add both those products, one into a whipped cream and the cookie spread into the actual coffee itself to make a very unique coffee mixture.
What's this flavor right here?
This is our crema di vanilla. So it's very similar to a lot of the other vanilla syrups, but it is much less in sugar, so you get a lot more flavor with it. And it's also creamier. So this is perfect if you want to add it into your coffee and you don't want to put much milk or anything into it. This kind of adds that creaminess to your coffee.
And what's going on over here?
That is heavy whipping cream. So if you're gonna make whipped cream, you're gonna need heavy whipped cream.
And then how do you make whipped cream?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add it into our canister here. We have this charger here with nitrogen in it. And you pretty much just infuse the nitrogen into your whipped cream and your syrups, and there you have it.
Let's get started. What are we doing now, Lauren?
All right, so we are gonna make our whipped cream. So first up, we gotta add our syrup in. So we're doing 3 pumps of each, so.
And what flavor is this again?
Crema di vanilla.
Okay.
And now let's do 3 pumps of our speculoos here.
And you can adjust up or down to your tastes.
All right, next we're gonna add in our whipped cream. This is about 8 ounces here, and it fills this canister up about halfway. So it gives it room to expand. So once you add in the nitrogen, it expands quite a bit. All right, we'll shake it up, make sure everything is, if you were doing this with somebody, just try to, tell them to move away at first. You don't want a black eye.
Does that shake have a name?
It is a...
When you shake it, do you have a particular name you give to the shake?
I thought you were talking about the whipped cream bottle itself. No. This, I just call it...
The Detroit Shimmy?
Yep, sure, there we go, Detroit Shimmy.
Okay.
That's what we call it. All right, now this is the fun part. So you put your charger on. Always, if you're doing this, make sure the lid is on really tight, because if it's not, it's going to explode everywhere, and that's a mess you don't want to clean up.
Don't want that.
No, I like to flip it over because I feel like it just kind of mixes things up better. I don't know if it does or not, but it's just a habit. It works. And we're gonna shake it again. One more time, just make sure it's nice and incorporated. And there you go, we have whipped cream. So always too, before you're gonna put this on everything, test it first. So there we go, we have nice, beautiful whipped cream in here, so it's perfect and ready to use for our coffee. All right, so for our coffee, first step, add in our speculoos cookie spread. It's gonna melt in there. You know, your coffee's hot. This is really nice and creamy, so it's pretty easy to mix in.
And how much are you putting in, like roughly a tablespoon?
Yeah, that I did a tablespoon, but I did like a full tablespoon. So full heaping. And here's our coffee. I'm a really messy person, so.
Okay. It's the Detroit Shimmy.
Yeah, if you're working with me, this is bound to happen. This is bound to happen. This is bound to happen.
Yeah.
Like,
wow.
All the time. So, you know.
If you did the Philadelphia Shimmy, yeah, we gotta tell, it would have been a little cleaner. Yeah.
All right, so we got everything in there. We cleaned up our mess. We're gonna mix this up. You can use, just a regular spoon, but I feel like this mixer is much easier to get everything incorporated. It doesn't take too long. It melts pretty fast. We are good here. And if you want, you can always add, a little milk into this if you want the actual coffee itself to be creamier. I personally really enjoy just black coffee with a little bit of flavor, and we're also gonna add whipped cream on top. So that's gonna kind of melt in there and act as a sort of a cream. So let's get our fresh speculoos whipped cream on top of our fresh coffee here. No!
We need just a little bit more. I think we're good to go. We are golden. We are golden. There we go.
Here.
Perfect. Perfect.
And of course, let's do a little cinnamon to top it off. Make it look really extra pretty here.
Now, Lauren, how much would you charge for that drink?
Oh, there's no price tag on this. I don't know, maybe like $100.
$100.
No, just kidding. This is probably, you go to your coffee shop. We won't name any coffee shops, but this is probably like an $8 latte. At least.
So, Lauren, when can we finally drink this?
You can drink it right now.
Right now.
Give it a shot. Let
I
us
would
know
like
how
to give it a shot. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Best coffee ever.
I wouldn't go that far.
Oh, come on.
No, it is pretty darn good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. We hope you enjoyed our guest star here.
I appreciate it, guys. Where can they see us on social, Lauren?
You can see us on Instagram at Amoretti. You can see us on Twitter at Amoretti Foods. And Facebook, just search for Amoretti. We'll pop up.
What should they do when they reach us on social?
You should say hi to us, of course. Comment on our pictures. If you make this at home, tag us in the picture as well. We love seeing your recipes.
If you're nice to us, we've been known to send out free samples, only if you're nice to us.
Yeah, so send us some extra love.
Take it easy, guys.
Cut.
Careful, you don't want a whipped cream mustache.
Mmm.
Yep.
See you next time, guys.